Hello guys, this is Scarlett from Ether. Today I'm glad to introduce Hubei TDR Group. Hubei TDR Group is made of Hubei Orient International Trading Corporation, an Hubei Health and Safety Products company. We specialize in the design, manufacturing, and the sales of disposable medical products and PPE products. Hubei Orient owns the factory Hubei Health and Safety Products Company. Hubei is situated in Xiantao, Hubei Province, the famous non-woven products base in China. Hubei established in 2003, covering 65,000 square meters. We are a group of more than 500 individuals. Hubei is equipped with a medical and industrial laboratory in class 10,000, clean room workshops in class 100,000 for sterile medical devices and all kinds of disposable products. Hubei utilizes a complete quality management system ISO 9001, ISO 13485. We care about human rights and we are certified by Human Rights Agency of CDEX. Hubei has medical device license for class 1 and 2. Our products are certified with CE, UKCA, FDA. And our face mask passes through Nelson's test. Our medical face masks are conformed to EN 14683 Type 2 and Type 2R for Europe market. ASTM Level 3 510K for North America and the national standard YY0469 and YY0969 for China market. KN95 masks are conformed to national standard GB 2626-2019. Our Category 3 protective coveralls are compliant with new European PPE regulations 2016-425. They are classified to Type 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B. Our surgical gowns meet EN 13795 standard and AAMI PB70. Our group has more than 20 individuals for quality control, laboratory, and inspection. Our laboratory could do tests for face mask, coveralls, surgical gowns such as particulate filtration efficiency, differential pressure, synthetic blood penetration, tensile test for ear loop, flammability test, microbial cleanliness, splash resistance, sterile test, ethylene oxide residue, hydrostatic pressure, repellence by liquids, resistance to penetration by liquids, surface resistance, resistance to ignition, filtering efficiency, puncture resistance, tensile strength, static decay period, sterile test, etc. This is the clean room workshop for face mask in class 100,000. All kinds of disposable medical face mask, KN95 folded mask, 3D mask, clean room mask, and KF94 mask. The daily output is around 5 million pieces totally. This is the clean room workshop for clothes in class 100,000. All kinds of medical and PPE coveralls, isolation gowns, surgical gowns, lab coats, patient gowns, medical sheets, PE aprons, CPE gowns, raincoat, etc. The daily output is around 50,000 pieces totally. From the material selecting, cutting, sewing, processed accessory, checking, packing to storing, we are serious for every details. This is the clean room workshop for headwear and footwear in class 100,000. All kinds of headwear and footwear such as non-woven shoe covers and boot covers, PE shoe covers and boot covers, non-woven bullfin caps, mop cap, hoods, etc. The daily output is around 100,000 pieces totally. This is warehouse for finished goods. Our goal is to provide the highest quality medical solutions at the most competitive prices. We believe Hubei TDL Group's future will be more brilliant with a joy. Amaxquita welcomes you.